What's up guys, welcome back. This is Julene, and today if you want to see a room makeover, keep on watching. Okay guys, so this is the room. I'm gonna try to show you each angle. So this is our guest room where we have our family and friends stay when they come in town to visit. And then also my older sister and I, my older sister Javon and I usually stay in here when we come in town to visit. It's a beautiful room. There's so much sunlight in here. I love the sunlight. I love a lot of the pieces of furniture that are in the room. It's just feeling a little bit outdated to me, and I don't love all the pieces together. So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna give the room a little bit of a refresh. So if you watched my last two videos, you'll see some of the preparation that I've done for the space. I did one design video where I walked you through the design I had for this room. And in that video you saw that I'm gonna do some slating against that back wall there. I've already measured, it's 11 foot wide. I just have to measure the height. I want it to have the look of a headboard, so I don't want it to go any higher than around my waist. So we're gonna take this bed out, and I have another bed that's gonna fit more of the style that I have stored away somewhere in the house that I'm gonna use. Okay guys, so first I'm gonna go to Lowe's and we're gonna pick up the wood that's gonna go on the back wall for the slating for the headboard.
I know that these aren't it, but you see how these are rounded?
Is this the price for just one?
Yeah.
Oh, hell no.
I like these a lot.
Sure, bro, has that space. That'll work better there. That's got the round. This is. I think this is probably it. This has got the rounded ends on it.
Okay guys, let's see if I can get this math right. So these are 2 inches across. There's 12 inches in a foot, and my area by my bed across is 11 foot total. So let's do 12 inches. Oop. So let's do 12 inches times 11. So that's the total amount of inches across. Then, sorry, public school failed me.
It's a factorial, so you multiply each one by n.
Wrong. Is that the summation?
Yeah, they're the same thing.
Wrong. He was so wrong.
And now I'm going to divide that by 2 inches. Oh, heck to the no. Oh wait, you know what? Okay, so 66. That means I need 66 of these, but I'm cutting them in half. So let's divide that by 2. It means I need 33 pieces. Alright, so guys, here's what's on our list. A glossy top coat finish, some sandpaper, paint, nails for the nail gun, some wood to use for the side tables, some brackets to hang up the desk, and I need to go pick up a drill. Like this. We hang that from this, get 2 of those to be the side table lamps. Oh, look at this. Magnolia Home has their own paint now. Even the can is fancy. I love them. You're so awesome. Some stain options, and I think that I want to go with the honey teak. Hey y'all, I'm here at Home Goods and I have my best friend Elijah in the car. Say hi, Elijah.
Don't look at me.
I'm gonna look and see if I can find a rug and some decor. So let's go inside. I like this one. I wasn't able to find anything at Home Goods that would work for our project, so I decided to call it a night and start fresh in the morning with the slats. Alright guys, I'm in my backyard and I'm about to chop some wood. Wait 1 second while I go get my tools that I need for protection.
We're trying to catch a line out the road.
It's day 2 and I have put tape on all the walls. It took me hours to do, and now I'm gonna start painting the room. Yesterday I cut the wood in half up to 3 feet, enough to go alongside that whole wall there. So that's done. I sanded like a quarter of them. I still have so many to do, so I'm gonna get the first coat of this done, and then I'm gonna go finish sanding what I didn't finish last night. I definitely want to get that done ASAP before it gets dark. I think it's about 3 o'clock right now, and I want to be done with everything by 6. Not everything, but like the cutting and the painting. Out of breath because I've been sanding for, I don't know, like past 3 hours. These are all the pieces, these, and then all of these. So I cut every single one and I sanded every one and wiped them all down. So now it's time to stain them while the stain dries. Well, first I'm gonna put a primer on there, and then I'm gonna put the stain on there, and while that dries, I'm gonna go to Lowe's and get one more can of paint because this wall needs a second coat. And then we can finally start putting things together. So I'm excited about that part. So yeah, now we're going to go on and you guys can watch how I prep and stain this wood. Also, I wanted to show you guys the color of the paint. It's like a creamy white. It almost has like a yellow undertone, which I really like. Hey guys, so at first I was gonna place the wall slats flat, like flush against the wall, but I really like it this way better. Only thing is I didn't measure to have it this way. So I am placing all the slats. Yep, that's what I was just getting to. As if I'm gonna place all the slats along the wall, but if they fall, it's all gonna come crumbling down. So I'm just gonna see how many I can get before they all go falling. And it is now almost 1 o'clock in the morning, so my family will be very upset, but they probably won't hear. They're all the way downstairs. So, but yeah, what do you guys think? I'm liking this much better. Let's go ahead and get this wall finished. Hello. This is the perfect rug. I'm so in love with it. So now that we have this one, I'm gonna see what pillow choices they have. Let's see if we can find a pillow that's gonna make the space pop. This is so freaking cute. Some of you guys might be thinking this is really ugly, but I really like it. I like this one, you guys. Let's see what it would look like. This one also looks nice. Let's see what it would look like. I forgot to show you guys my run to Target. I ran there right after this, and I found some great bedding and side table options. Okay guys, So day 4, and every single day I wake up and I'm like, today's gonna be the day where it's finished. Well, it's not, and it's the 4th day, and I'm really hoping that today is the final day and we can present this and then I can get on to my next project. I want you guys to see the room. Okay, so here, I'm really not liking the slats, only because the wall is black. So you see you have the black wall, the black window pane, and then you have the light wood and the gray, and then all the way over here you have this like brown dresser that I was not able to like DIY. I was hoping that I could paint it black, but I just haven't had the time, and I'm not gonna have the time, so I just have to work with what I have. And I think a good solution is to paint those slats the same color as the wall and just create like a little pop out look, you know, just create a little visual interest instead of the wood element, because there's too many different woods going on for my sanity. So yeah, it's been long days. I'm having a little bit of a breakdown.
Clear skies, clear skies.
It's been long days, but I actually have a friend who's been helping me. She's over there. She doesn't want to be on camera. She's been giving, just come on camera. This is my best friend.
Oh my God.
Her name is Oat Milk, last name Latte, and she's just been giving me lots of energy and keeping me sane during this very, very long, intensive project. So, shout out to Oat Milk Latte.
I was the one in here last night. I came in through the window because I broke curfew. I dropped my money clip and I was just trying to slow down.
I'm sorry, Claire. Unlike at home, I'm the captain here.
We decided not to buy a bed frame for this project. Instead, we decided to use one that was around the house. Here's a trick to get perfect alignment when you're hanging stuff. Put a piece of painter's tape on the back of the item that you're hanging. Mark on the painter's tape with a marker or pen where the hooks are. Then take the painter's tape off and hang it on the wall where you'd like to hang your item. You'll have the perfect distance between the nails, and you don't have to do any crazy measuring. Hey guys, new day again. So here's the room, and I'm starting to like it. I was having a bit of a breakdown before, but I'm really starting to like it. So I'm almost done. I just have to go get some puck lights for the light pendants that are in here, and yeah, and then I just have to touch up the windows again. Up on the ceiling there's some paint on the edges that just aren't very crisp. I'm really considering, excuse all the clutter, this is like all gonna go, but I'm really considering painting this dresser black, because it's just like an eyesore for me. Like, it's brown and it's not really flowing with the rest of the room, like the light and airy feel. And then you have this like really nice condition dresser, but it's just like Parisian, and it's definitely more brown in person than it's looking right now on camera. So yeah, I just want to paint that like a matte black that'll match the windows. Now that the handy parts are done, it was time for an outfit change and to get to my favorite part, which is styling. Okay guys, so these wall sconces are actually not hardwired into the wall. I nailed them to the ceiling and I put what's called puck lights inside, and they're like little portable lights. You can stick them right on and it gives the effect of a hardwired light. And you have this little remote and guests can use it when they come and they just press the button and it turns on. Okay guys, so my mom is right outside and we're about to show her the transformation of the guest room. I really hope she likes it, but yeah, let's show her. Let's not wait any longer. That's close. I am not used to this. Wait. Okay, I'm in. Okay. Now, open your eyes. Jolene, oh my goodness, this is so great.
I'm glad you listened to me at all.
Wow,
I love this. Oh my gosh, it's so refreshing. It's like, it's very refreshing.
That's what I was going for. I know you said you wanted like a peaceful, airy space.
Yeah.
And so I tried to make it like nice and airy and peaceful.
You know, I love what you did to the dress up. It's amazing. Wow, it looks so different. It looks so better. So much better. Oh my gosh.
And that's it for today's video. Thanks so much for watching, and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss upcoming design content. See you next time.
I think I'm gonna sleep up here today.